Welcome to your extreme weather outlook for this Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Daniel Kaiser. We're tracking a hot stretch of weather across portions of the nation as we head through the end of the week. We also have a severe weather potential the next few days, especially on Thursday across portions of North Dakota. And we're keeping an eye on the eastern Pacific where we could see a couple of systems form as we head through the next 5 days. But first, taking you out to St. Louis, Missouri. We are under a heat advisory Thursday through Saturday for heat index values of at least 105 each afternoon. We do have an expansive area of heat advisories across the south central United States as we head throughout the next several days. Looking at forecast highs, Thursday we could see a high of 102 in Denver, 100 on Thursday in Kansas City. Meanwhile, Friday through the weekend in St. Louis, highs in the mid to upper 90s. And could even see a high of 98 on Friday in the Twin Cities. Now, as we head into the weekend, that heat will start to move eastward, and we could see highs in the 90s this weekend for areas like New York City and Washington, D.C. But we're also keeping an eye on the heat index, which could be over 105 at times during the afternoon hours on Thursday for areas like Kansas City and St. Louis. And that area of 105 plus heat index values expands northward as we head into Friday all the way up towards the Twin Cities of Minnesota. Now, as we look at your severe weather threat today, we do have a couple slight risk areas, one across portions of the Tennessee Valley and the southeast, another one in the mid-Atlantic. Damaging winds would be the main threats, although we could see an isolated tornado or two in parts of the mid-Atlantic. As we look at Thursday, we actually do have an enhanced risk of severe weather across portions of North Dakota as a center of low pressure moves out of the Rockies as we head to the day on Thursday. And then a cold front brings a marginal threat of severe weather across portions of the upper Midwest into the day on Friday. Meanwhile, out in the eastern Pacific, we are watching two different areas, each of which has at least a 90% chance of formation in the next 5 days.